You know what they say, just pick one, pick one, pick one. Just like order the food, for example. It's 7Q kata, we ain't doing that. Find the average age, 7Q kata, we ain't doing that. Ask for missing details. Alright, you will be given an array. We got new. Oh, this is for JavaScript. Damn, I don't want to do JavaScript. Prepare the count of languages. It's 7Q. Greet developers. That's also 7Q. The JavaScript, find GitHub admins. JavaScript developers coming from Europe. Read, is Ruby coming? Find the first Python developer at 7Q kata. Can they code in the same language? This is already done. This is also already done. Is the Meetup HTverse? For Python, create usernames. Well, fuck it, let's just do JavaScript. Given the following array, write a function that adds the username property to each object in an input array. The value of username property is composed by concatenating first name in lowercase, the first letter of the last name in lowercase, and the birth year, for which the purpose of this cat is calculated simply by subtracting age from the current year. Please make sure that your function delivers the correct birth year irrespective of when it will be executed. For example, it should also work correctly for a meetup organized in 10 years time. Notes in the input array will always be valid. Ages, last name uppercase followed by a dot. Does not matter. Alright, yeah, let's try do this JavaScript kata. Thank you for checking out the coding Meetup kata. No, thank you. Alright, so here we go again. Let return, what is it? Return, damn. Oh, return list is that. So we have to get an object and to modify it. And it shall be, it's an array of objects. So we say JavaScript or for loop. Let's first do for loop. MDN is the best. Using for in array, you know. Using for without the statement. So JavaScript for loop array MDN. For const element of array 1. That's for off. Alright, so we do it's an empty one. So here we do for const element of list and then the console log element. Let's test it out. What? Look. Okay. First name Harry. Okay. So now we want to take a specific, so now we gotta create a username. So we do, let's do this slowly. We shall say const username equals an empty string. Here we're gonna say JavaScript open object access element. Yeah, let's just do object constructor static methods assign create is frozen, is sealed, instance methods, new object. So we say JavaScript access object MDN object basics name 0 so it's like index. Person age name first. You could do that. We could do that. We do my data name input. This is for next time, but here we do JavaScript extend string does join concatenate hello plus plus equals. Yeah, that's what I was wondering. Alright, so what do we do over here is first to take username plus equals username plus equals. Alright, so here we take the username plus equals, and then we take the element and the first name from it, and we gotta make it lowercase. Make lowercase to lowercase string dot to lowercase dot to lowercase. Then we gotta pick this one up. Username plus equals element last name, and what we can do is pick the first element of this string and turn it to lowercase. So we say, let's just do JavaScript string methods, if it works the same as in Python. Returns a, yeah. Right. So we just do 0th, also that to lower case, and just a second, cat is doing something. Alright, and plus equals to lowercase, and then we do username. Now plus equals, it's gonna be a bit of a hard, well not, we just take element, and from the element we take h, and we gotta get the current year. So we say JavaScript get current year. MDN. Uh-huh. 95. Uh-huh. Returns 100. Oh wow. Oh my god. Examples. Get year. Set full year, date now. Run. Wow. Get here to see full year. Oh. Alright, so those are our options. Get full year. Date now. Day of the month. Day of the week. Returns the year. 4 digits. I think this is what we want. Oh, okay. Get full year, and we just gotta instantiate date. So if we do console.log and we get new date, and we get date dot now, and we pass that into date prototype get full year, this is not a date object. Okay, just new date. Okay. H minus new date new date dot get full year console log username. Well, that doesn't really give us anything. Wow. Why is it not console logging username? Five. Well, that is just really hard to get. One, and here it is. So the console log element. Yeah, that's here. Yes. So we get the element first name, so we do it here. First name. Yeah, we get it. First name and here. I guess the problem is two lower case. This is really hard to debug. Yeah, it works. So is it the problem here? Maybe that's like an invalid operand. Username equals. Alright. Oh, because it's a const. Oh my god. Oh, that's a hit. Because it's a const. Shit. Harry K minus. Alright. So Harry K, it should be Harry K 2025. So it's actually right. That's actually right. But minus shouldn't be there. Minus really should not be there. This or dash. So if we play naive and just remove it, this of course shall break it. So yeah. Well, if we say here console log instead of 3, you do new date get full year. Alright, let's make a separate const over here, const birth year, and that is new date get full year. Or current, yeah, I mean that's actually current now. So let's print out current year. It's just a function. Oh, call the function. And then we say birth year. I want to print out the birth year, or well, let's keep it current year. Let's do const birth year equals element age minus current year. Print out birth year. Oh. So that dash creeps in. Because we got element age, empty space, current year, and there's no dash in there, I think. Yeah, there's no dash in there, but suddenly here we get a dash. I don't know why. So that's a weird thing. What if we do type of element age plus type of current year string. Oh, boom and boom. So we have a string. Oh, type of this plus type of this. Number and the number. JavaScript adding when subtracting. What if we do just type of birth year? Number. Oh my god, it wants to say it's minus that, because we actually have to do current year minus element age, which is yeah. Birth year. All right. It's a great thing, because here we add to our username and first name. Oh, this now works, of course. Actually, just do that. Birth year, and then we want to add to the element object JavaScript element JavaScript add property object dot something. All right. So you're gonna say element dot username equals surname. In the end, like, do we just do return list like return list plus equals element? Then we just return list. X instead got object. I don't know, contents value JavaScript pending to array push. push element. Wow, nice. Everything works. Alright, so that's our little JavaScript kata for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Let's submit it and let's see how other people have done it in the JavaScript. Wow, list map. So for every element in list, we get x dot username, x first name to lowercase, last name to lowercase. Date get, so basically the same logic as we did, except they used map instead of for, how is it called? For each, I think. Interesting one. So, thank you for watching. Have a nice one.